So over here, you can see that I am inside of Prezi Design now. So on the left side, you have access to different tools, as you can see. For example, text. So you can go around and insert out different text from here. There's like graphs, there's maps that you can go around and add in. There's graphic option, there's video, there's elements and shapes, as you can see. And you can also access your library and access out more options from here. On the bottom, you got the layout option right here, as you can see, and grid, and the zoom percentage right here. This is the main working area, and if you have multiple pages out right here, then you can just access it out here, as you can see. So whenever you select out something for that particular element, you get all the options over here on the right side as well. So on the top, you can see that you can access out the menu, and over here on the top, you can see that there's this this design title right here. So over here on the right side, again, you got different options. Like there's like you can see conversations, you can download out files in many different formats, you can share, you have the sharing option, you can even create video out of your design, and you have the download option over here, as you can see. So in this series of lessons, we are going to cover up each and everything that we see over here to start designing in Prezi Design. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.